Boom, Bitcoin moves hard, giving altcoins life. You love to see it. Congratulations if you're still here. The reward is just around the corner. If you missed this pump, I would say use this as a learning experience so you don't miss the next one. I'm going to cover my cherry ripe, one to watch, and danger zone today, Stacks, Link, and Solana. Let's crack in. We will not relent on my love for Stacks. Running with Bitcoin, being that proxy and outperforming, you cannot avoid looking at it. And it does, in my view, maintain that lower risk profile because it is so tightly hitched to the fortunes of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin moves down, Stacks are going to move down, sure. But Stacks, when Bitcoin moves up, it just absolutely blitzes. And last time we had it as our cherry ripe was up 30% here. So congrats to everyone looked at that. You can see how these patterns are starting to emerge where price compresses, and then we have an expansion that happened there as well before another 30% move with Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin wants to make another run at 40,000, I think you can overlay the Fibonacci extension here. It was looking at about 88 cents, 85 cents is probably the next kind of area I'll be looking at. But right now, it's starting to move into a bit of a downward channel. That's the pattern I'm sort of seeing develop. If I can break that 68 cent kind of level and get above here, then I think she's off. And she probably will tell you some, it will lead Bitcoin if Bitcoin's about to go as well. So still very bullish on Stacks. Sweet Link is my one to watch here. It has broken weekly range high resistance. It is a really profound move. The longer something consolidates like this, the more sustained I believe the breakout will be. So that's my feeling here. But the one thing we need to be wary of is that now that it's broken out of this resistance, it wants to hold above it. If not, it might be just another fake out like it was down here. But very, very clearly, this one's higher as long as Bitcoin is trending higher as well. So I think this has a really strong case for a much larger move on Link, but definitely one to watch. Solana's been getting a lot of love recently, being all over Twitter and elsewhere, and it's just generally a very popular coin. So I'm going to cover it today as my danger zone. A lot of alts look very similar to this and just are representative of the frothy nature of the market. We have to be aware that if Bitcoin is due for a bit of consolidation here, back down to the low 33,000, some of these altcoins are going to want to correct harder. So if Bitcoin sneezes, altcoins are going to catch a cold, and you want to look out for these telltale signs on the lower time frames, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. I'm seeing bearish divergences pop up. You see those peaks higher while the momentum is dropping away. So if we lose the 20 moving average here, I think Solana goes lower. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.